Okay, I'll go ahead. This over the last week, I designed and built this a nice castle here. The drawbridge opens and closes, and you pull on the chimney, and the top comes off, so you can get in there. I'm trying to come up with something that'll make me rich here. You know, I can sell it and get rich there. And castles, you know, but I'm not very good at organic things like Disney characters or something. So I figured I'd go with the idea of a castle there or something. And so I just finished it today. Actually, I had there's an alternative. The hole there is for the people inside to come up and get up on the roof. And this is the chimney here. I've got another roof to it that just has a hole for people to come up in their chimney. This is harder to pick up. You got to stick your finger in there. And anyway, but I will see if when I get this thing posted over the next day or two, whether that actually sells and makes me any money.
Okay.
Other than that, I don't think I've been doing anything except maybe still trying to straighten up the office a little bit and get things out of the way. Put away some stuff that I very seldom use, and so still trying to make room for me to put things and everything. So that's about the state of things there. Let's see, what are we doing now? Okay, well, go ahead.
Okay. So that was last week. What's coming this week?
This coming week, well, I'm going to be pretty busy with, Christmas-related things and everything. Tomorrow, I'm probably going to buy a tree. There'll be decorating trees and getting out. I already have the outside decorations up, most of them, but then there's all the inside stuff and everything. So that'll be busy. Friday, I have a dog training session. At some point, I want to get to the gym, so I'm going to be pretty busy. Like I said, I will try to get this thing posted, and I have a couple of other ideas for things to sell. So if I do anything related to inventing or anything like that, it will probably be a matter of creating some 3D prints and putting them up there, and also still trying to straighten up my office. So that's the coming week.
Okay, I have got almost nothing done, and next week doesn't look very much better. I'm still gonna try and get back into Docker, but the longer I leave it, the more I have to learn again before I can touch it again. And blocks are just Christmas time. Over to you, Lauren.
Okay. I'm just going to talk about my block. I didn't do anything, and I don't know what I'll do this coming week. But I do have dental work block, and that should be good by next week. It's so far since it's been fixed. I'm so far so good. So back to David.
Yep, David,
Okay. What was that? Let's see. What next is what, the evaluation?
Yep.
Okay. I will mention I did. I also went to a craft fair a couple of days ago to get ideas for other things to do and everything. And there was something else. Okay. Evaluation. Well, I'll give myself probably I'll maybe give myself an 8 or a 9 or something for designing that thing, and I give myself higher because I did complete a whole project there, but it's not exactly a major technological thing or something. So I take off a few points for it not being very technical or anything. I'll give myself some points for going to the class fair and and for making this meeting. So I'll give myself a 9. You guys didn't do too much, so and you had good reasons. I'm not complaining, but I'm saying because of that, I'll maybe give the group maybe a 3 or something. Average you guys in with me, and so that's about it.
Okay, I'm going to give myself a 2 for showing up for the meeting, and I'll be a little bit more generous at 7 for the team because we're showing up. And no, I don't remember what it's called.
Process improvement.
Process. No process improvement. Okay, Lauren, you're up.
Yeah. Okay. So me. Yeah. Well, we did get invitations this week, and you did get in. You were able to start the meeting.
That's
So
true.
that's actually that should bump everything up a point. So I'll give myself a 7, and the team an 8.
Okay, and I didn't get this done at the beginning. It is the 10th of December, 2025. This is Little Red Wagon, or LRW stand-up. And I don't think we identified where we were when we were giving our stand-ups, but that's not a big deal. Anything we want to talk about on
I'm on
the rest of it?
I'm on an island off British Columbia, Lauren.
Okay, I'm in Florida on the East Coast, a few miles from the ocean, and in a combination retirement community artist colony. So, so
I'm not sure I knew that.
What?
Very cool.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I
not
didn't
sure I
know
knew
that.
that's where you were actually living.
Cool.
I think this town may have started out as an artist colony, but became a retirement community because everybody comes to Florida to retire.
Yeah.
Lots
Okay.
of condos down here on the beach, things like that.
Okay, I'm gonna hit stop on the recording then.